Hey y'all, what is up everybody? What is up YouTube? Sparky Marky Mark, and I'm back doing packaging of what's inside this package. And it's from Dennis L. Price. What did I get in here? Let's open it up. Whoa! This package came with a box? Huh. It's taped. What am I going to open with? With this. Let's open it up. Alrighty. It's untaped. Let's see. Amazing package. Wait a minute, is this? Oh, yes it is, from Kickstarter. Oof, it's very sealed and tight. I gotta remove this. Amazing sleeve of a book slipcover-esque. And here it is. Joe Alves' Adventures in Film Design. So, anybody heard me talk about Joe Alves before? Got a bookmark and I got a signature from Dennis L. Prince, I believe that was the name on the guy. Yep, Dennis L. Prince signature, but also Joe Alves. And if anybody knows, I've talked about Joe Alves before on the pre-order video from Kickstarter. This is the guy that was the production designer. Before he did Jaws and other things, if anybody's familiar with his work, he also was a director and production designer on a TV show that was hosted by the great Rod Sterling in the late 60s and early 70s, a show called Night Gallery. Yep, and he was the production designer and he directed a few episodes for the show. And of course worked with Spielberg, Janot Swark, and some other directors that were involved in that show and their careers were launched. So here it is, folks. Okay, I got the bookmark. Here's the author of the book. And here it is, all tucked in tight. And of course, I got this at Kickstarter. You did it! Thank you! Kickstarter! Joe Alves' Adventures in Film Design. Here he is, man. This is the legend here. The man behind Jaws, Jaws 2, Escape from New York, Close Encounters, I believe. That looks like Close Encounters. And he did a whole slew of projects. So let's take a quick look. But before unwrapping and everything, here's a tagline. He's gonna need a bigger book. A tagline for he's gonna need a bigger boat. So yeah, here he is talking about his experience. I'm not gonna read all this, so please pause this and read it very carefully. Alrighty, folks. So let's take a look, and it's a hardbound sleeve. Here he is in 1974, and here he is, began his career working for Walt Disney. Wow, very cool. So here it is, folks. Wood Hills publication. Oh, wow. This was an original design for Jaws. Look at that, folks. I mean, look at the design of how Mr. Alves designed this shark. I mean, look at it. But this was for Jaws 2, for the record. I can't even tell. I couldn't believe, why is that 2 blurred? You're gonna see that photo before seeing this. Ooh, limited print. Ooh, 250 copies. And there he is, Joe Alves and Dennis L. Prince. This was, of course, 2 years ago, right, in the book about his career. And I believe that's a Dennis signature, for the record. Well, this is how it was back in the day. So yeah, here's on the side. I'm not going to read too much. That's a lot of pages there, folks. And you already saw the back of it. So yeah, my God. This is approximately about 527 pages about his career and the designing of Jaws. And of course, for that, he won this one, or the, no, it won for Jaws 1 Academy of Motion Pictures Arts and Science, or this book was. So yeah, so before signing off, let's give a shout out to the thing of ours, TCF, to the physical media collectors, the watch collectors, toy collectors, autograph collectors, and all you collectors out there. And also, let's give a shout out to my subscribers. You know who you are. Shouts to you guys. And also, let's give a shout out to Kickstarter. Let's give a shout out to Dennis L. Prince. And last but not least, Joe Alves. Shouts to you, man. And I want to meet this guy and tell him love his work and, you know, a whole slew of things, man. He did a fantastic job being a production designer. And as a kid, if you haven't heard this in my channel or not, I used to rent Jaws 2 and 3 on VHS. But mainly every summer back when I was attending school days, elementary school onto middle school, I used to rent Jaws 3 on VHS. Wow. And I love it ever since. And I still dig it to this day. So yeah, folks, if you like content like this or any other content, please click the bell and the subscribe button to be notified of new uploads. Like the videos, like the videos, always appreciate a thumbs up. Have any opinions related to the content? Comments down below. And plus, I mean, the YouTube community often posts what time I post videos at a certain time, whether it be at a early morning to the early afternoon hours, to notify you that this video is gonna pop out soon. So keep an eye on that. And among other things. So, y'all, this is Sparky Marky Mark signing off. Y'all, take care. God bless you. Hear you, and see you on the next vid. Enjoy Thursday, y'all, and later.